Today I received my first nature box, and I got the sample box, which is a box free for anyone to try. You just pay $2 in shipping, but you get a bunch of small size sample snacks, and then you get one large item, and you'll get more large items, of course, when your next month when you actually pay full price for the box. But this is my first box. For my large original size item, I got the strawberry Greek yogurt pretzels, and I already opened them and tried them because I was really anxious when I got home. But I'll take one out and let you guys see what they look like. Yeah, they're pretty good. I actually tried one already, and they taste like, you know, your typical white chocolate covered pretzel, but they have a berry taste as well, so it's not just like white chocolate, it's like berry, obviously, because they're strawberry yogurt covered pretzels. But I really like chocolate covered pretzels, and if you like chocolate covered pretzels, white chocolate, and you like strawberries, you'll like these. And the next item I have is the Garden Tomato Crunchies. So let's open them up and see what they look like. They're almond. The seasoning is light. I can't really taste the tomato because the seasoning is so light. There's a hint of like tomato sauce flavor, but it's not strong. I can't really tell. And the next item I have is the cranberry medley. So here they are, and I'll show you guys what they look like too. Oh, it's just a mix of cranberries. I don't know what that black fruit was. Is it a blueberry? Tastes like regular dried cranberry. I guess it's a mix. Oh, it's flavored dried cranberries with blueberries, so it's what it tastes like, dried cranberries and blueberries, like you would expect. And next I have the jalapeno cashews. I'm excited for this because I love spicy food. I love jalapeno. But more nuts. I'm not gonna really show you guys. It looks like a cashew. It smells like jalapenos. I can smell it as soon as I open up the bag. I can taste the jalapenos. Don't think it really goes. Jalapeno flavored cashews. It's not really like hot. There's a little bit of spice, but it's not like it's really hot. It's not like that. But I like those. I mean, they're not something I would go out of my way and buy, but you know, they're good. Next I have the Parmesan garlic pop-pops, and they're Parmesan garlic popcorn kernels, and here's what they look like. I thought it was gonna be like soft like popcorn, but they're not. They're crunchy. For some reason, this is tasting like something fried. Like something fried. Oh my god. I mean, I can taste the garlic, but it reminds me like I tasted this before where. I don't know. But yeah, that's everything I got in my sample box. So I mean, you pay about $2 for shipping and you get all those samples. So yeah, that's the end.